has made its debut with all the fancy plasmas there. Dennis is there with meteorologist Mark Dixon to give us a look around. Hi, guys.
Here it is, Kara. This is the new playroom and all sorts of great weather toys.
Exactly, yeah.
Not to diminish it, these are the finest
the best
equipment
money
that you
can
can
buy.
buy.
And it's great to have this new home for all of our technology, and it's extremely functional, and it's exciting to be here.
Yeah. Now tell us a little bit about it.
Well, we've got all access to all of our different computers, and this is where you'll likely see us from when we're doing breaking weather, or what we call little teases. And we, in fact, put a little piece together today because it's an exciting time for us here at Channel 3.
It is.
So we're in this brand new building. We've been working on our new set. So over the past couple of weeks, we've been presenting the weather in front of the Chroma Key, but the set is done. Let me give you a tour. Our new weather center is significantly larger than our old one. It gives us easy access to all of our computers for more than one of us to be working at one time and to relay all the pertinent information to you when breaking weather happens. We have numerous broadcast locations. This is just one of them, allowing us to do team coverage and to access all of our technology with ease. From our new digs, we're always updating Eyewitness News Now, our digital channel, but at the same time maintaining our state-of-the-art technology, from our Pinpoint WeatherNet with live reporting stations from across Connecticut to our graphics building machines, and of course our early warning futurecast, where we show you tomorrow's weather today. When designing the new early warning forecast center, functionality was key, and when severe weather threatens, this is where you'll see us broadcasting from. We of course have the state's most powerful live Doppler radar, that's no secret, and we'll be able to access it here at our fingertips. We just debuted the new Early Warning Forecast Center. It's a very exciting time for us here at Channel 3, and over the coming weeks we'll continue to debut new parts of our studio. Behind me here you can see part of our new morning show set, and then over here to the right, another broadcast locations, our production staff and our lighting technicians hard at work. And then over here, this is the main desk that we'll eventually be using. Behind it, open to the newsroom with all the Channel 3 staff.
Which means we have to behave.
Exactly. So eyes will be on everyone at all times. So
and what's this we're looking at, Mark?
This is now what we're taking you into the future with Channel 3, our partnership with the Connecticut Science Center. This is going to be debuting about a year from now, the fall of 2008. We will have a broadcast location within the Science Center in downtown Hartford. We'll be able to broadcast live from any part of the day. We'll have access to all of our technology as well. And when we're not using it, visitors to the Science Center will be able to go through and do mock weathercasts as well.
And I'll tell you, Mark, families from all across Connecticut are so excited about that new Science Center.
And we've been doing those construction updates every month. They just finished the last structural steel back on August 14th, just a week ago. Got that magic carpet roof in place. It's going to change the skyline of the capital city.
It's really nothing like it in the country. Now you will be able to do the weather right in front of the people who come in, like a live audience.
Interactive. You know, for the kids that are coming through on school tours, they'll be able to witness it right there, and then when we're done, they'll be able to get right in front of it and do it themselves.
Very exciting stuff.
Indeed, yeah.